Yo ebusia ye mamo akwaba eba the fabulous zone. Aha. Mo amu ni yenye hia de akumase Asante Kotoko nsensem e na ye ba be discuss. Your guest for today Robert Oduro. Topic e say ye hwe. The topic I'm say for about 1 week ni sempi. Obi say ye man kwan o heart ni bi say ye man kwan o say ebi so say adwuma no betimi ayen kwa de ye man mra. Ebi say Nana Yaw Amponsah, the leading candidate. I don't know. So if that's how I should put it, as the next Kotoko CEO. Kofwa kan hu sempi bi say heart ni inte my man kwan man men Kotoko. Bi so man hwe de obetumi aye adwuma no me kwa metie me nim so heart ni ampo because on so mba bonti me ka sai. Nsem ba nyina ma ibia but still how on di number no tim say ono ne George Afriyie na pre ho mete Frederick Acheampong kwa din wom ba no minim bia akopa ne din mabiam e na George Afriyie so it issue statement say adwuma no ono de be ya asisi ade we yi ne ho esi nchen kakra ba ono de on kasai o hwe Nana Yaw Amponsah obetimi amman ne ho information kakra. Who is Nana Yaw Amponsah? Who is he?
Well, that's Nana Yaw Amponsah. Fabulous fans. Onye obi a minimum personally say me no ewo contact. But the kakra minimum fan ho ye time or unveiling ho say opese GFA presidency no. And ma me start say me follow no. Okay. Na the argument say oye house ni nti e ma ne kwan no me ni sankrofo no nya adwen. Okay. Football a business beer. Or because of the rivalry between Kotoko and Hearts, they will be into cross carpet. No. No. Okay, Kotoko, former captain, Khalil Dramani, of the Hearts of Folk, and a bar Kotoko, or Bayer Kotoko legend. Meaning, Kotoko supporters will require and Kaiso or Haseda. Then, Golden are bloody. No, a Hearts player, even Hearts know why a man in the name champion. Now, we correct Hearts match because of Golden are bloody. Wow. Yes.
Obey captain so.
Oba Kotoko no, Oba Kotoko legend. And then from four Kasakro Muro Viso about Hearts of Folk. So they say the same thing. Ena Emmanuel Osekufo, the general of Free Hearts. Chastela of Free Hearts or Oba Kotoko. Enti if you ask him no person would de what dear is krom for Jano. What the January? Onim say ira onim so from 20 onto obebo ho ban ma Nana Yaw Amponsah na ye kana asem no the little Marshall free ni ho no he is a professional person our person making name out of football. Okay, so they say enti being say no kra say we heart supporter na say heart supporter me am pochi no ama na anye de person ye makotoko ama hasa obe teach us how to do it oba kotoko obe use kotoko as a platform for the FA job. Obey you Kotoko because Kotoko is big. So Madam from Ali Maradona Becca, Kotoko is TV3. Music. It's big. So they say, enti Nana Yaw Amponsah bana oba Kotoko and I said ombe fanono. Maybe the meme who say it nanka I was torn between Nana Yaw Amponsah and George Afriyie. And Uncle George, I declare a stand. They say, why busy? Now they will take up the job. In Nana Yaw Amponsah say, "Fano, so the CEO now, it will be the best decision at Kotoko. I take it. I didn't make us Nana Yaw Amponsah will be a Osei Nabako Semua, say being the president of Fire Rangers, and on Nancheno, he has a bachelor degree in psychology. Okay, and it's even so CEO Kotoko is a psychologist anyway. The CEO, the degree in psychology, political science, so was study when now Legon. Okay. So they say, oh, they are not too China. He has a master's degree in sports law. Okay, wow. So they say, oh, they are not too China. That master's degree in sports law, our practice, Okoye in London, Leicester. Oh, they are not too China. Or PhD in sports leadership. PhD. Okay. And Okoye in USA. So they say, from 2008 to 2018, he was a licensed player agent. Now, 2008 to 2018, he was a licensed FIFA agent. I mean, over 50 Ghanaian players
Na funny.
And I find some outside. We need to get the break economy. Sky by Effie. So they say this is someone who is a modern day football administrator, and that is what Kotoko is lacking. You hear will be our modern days philosophy ideas are already pushing from your old ways and support club. I've done it. I am business. And he said to me, "Say board no," and then it is our man on Yaw Amponsah. Me bullshit.
Wow.
Because me who say Kotoko, your foundation are solid. Your foundation are solid. Now, me say our bar. Now they come in and say when it comes to marketing now, he's one of the best. I bet my trust to say Oba you been a sponsorship, not just local companies but foreign companies about on board to come and support Kotoko. Because when ideas are the go for setting up every presidency, you know. Saying every put on pesa mom, that's when Kotoko as an entity. I'm telling you, Kotoko is just like a blasters. Kotoko is like blasters. Because the millions of supporters now, you can't say you won. Omi na your coaches, omi na your CEOs, omi na your managers. Obia fele say, CEO no ye say ya, and can say in the basi. Obia one ideas or them. And say your point is about CEO of the club, and you huge. Kotoko soon. Kotoko it is a national team, a Ghana national team.
Nti Oduro Osha obi ti say NYA Nana Yaw Amponsah no. Onene your previous CEO George Afriyie. What is he going to bring on board? Na yen free George Afriyie.
Like I said, Uncle George minimum impediment na office time or management member because there was a few times my friend and then maybe I'm Musa na me underground investigations into my friend they told him and or try so about addressing those issues.
Okay.
Into minimum impediment and I want where ama yentimi hu enema na yepesi hu. But with Yaw Amponsah looking at the new board now, they are more mandate. Tio, Otumfuo board no mandate. Special mandate. And watch them do hear free home. Almost I promise Otumfuo say we will do it, we will deliver. It almost so help will be our what that mindset. I will bet me abo more deliver the Otumfuo pen. And no Nana Yaw Amponsah. Or that mindset. Okay. I will bet me deliver. Or what it takes to bring money to the club. The vision, if or the two home the whole Ghana be here so they pay every job. No? So there's our vision to cry alone back to I'm telling you, say, in the next few years, you know, Kotoko bet me invite Manchester, man, about Ghana bebo match. Now, Karabangi Sharks, I know more Confederation Cup.
Yeah, maybe I beg you
free buy. Last season, I'm the Everton bar, ever friendly match. Everton.
Land England
Everton.
Yeah. Wow.
And the Karabangi Sharks because me follow them on Facebook.
Wow.
Have a ball friendly match.
Wow.
They have Kotoko to me and invite Manchester Ghana. If we have the facilities. Omoba. Omoni beji huwa, we can bring them down. Now Yaw Amponsah can be able to do that. The Omo Mokaza or your house in a mere fan money there. Omo fan to because so a footballer and no free house and all cross over Kotoko there and Kaum so your house in it. Kabeka so me boma Kotoko.
And you should be to say Nana Yaw Amponsah or ne George Afriyie any Frederick Acheampong. Mo me someone ka obi choose one. George Afriyie Nana Yaw Amponsah Frederick Acheampong because they need the Frederick Acheampong wo as good. To be honest, can me choose George Afriyie.
Okay. Can me choose George Afriyie because on also on the side and I'm who say even cry F is all share F before now or pay F we know. Or koye say go any foreign partners be
they say Japanese if will be or
taking ya din na koye na or pay contact any partners are or be boama F in develop pitches. It's going to help Ghana football. Indeed, so nya kwan so no enya kwan be Kotoko CEO for instance I know say or be boa Kotoko. But Nana Yaw Amponsah is equally good.
Wow.
He's equally good. He's qualified to be a Kotoko CEO.
Okay.
International connections. No. Oh, international. Manchester United. Edward Woodward. On your football person. On your football person. He has worked in corporate bodies na Manchester who said no akọwe say a fana or discover. And the fans na ebo na chino. The club owners in him skeba. And the omonti the fans in can cry. Omonti now can say the CEO of the club Eddie Scab back Kotoko. Now Kotoko player at the end of the month. oko na account mu na ye tua no $1,000 a obeji kwan akọ Ethiopia obeji kwan akọ Congo wati Ghana ne ho kire nkwa ma ame wo ho ne nuanem bi wo ho boso me so a $1,000 na to kura enya kura no 1,000 na to na account $1,000 o Ghana yimo ye wey
that's about 6,000 cedis.
I'm telling you, say a Ghanaian player Ben the just can hold 2 kwan nam Sri Lanka na sefo no but the leader of the club you know yes what this says can no knew how to do it. The only will be in a person like Nana Yaw Amponsah. No, this kind of bar. Forget it has now so you know. Now use no Nana has if once. Argentina Fatima at FIFA. Obano Hon. Argentina FIFA for Kofan. No, you know, on your football person. You see, oh yeah, Juma, our park and so I'm a fancy near Gino. I was a boardroom. And so sika free hoba because on me ejuma park and so o winning bonus money to ya sika be na dey fia
boardroom na the spine of
the spine the whole thing. That is the engine. And to say I know be business minded I will bet me drive enter west that way na Kotoko bit my self sufficient na ye tua ye ho car. I'm a player of Kotoko bit me the necessary nebo aka say o me bia me winning bonus for a national team. Sorry I say yeah, blast our players. We bet Mike as well. Winning bonus and major national team require him. Made a check because of the odds on a foreign club.
Yeah, sure.
So they say on the check. So I Kotoko player say self-sufficient now you to Minyeska. I don't run a club in year. Player of Kotoko knows which with the necessity back as Ska Meji Integrado national team cry. My mokra nyehwe.
I said Nana Yaw Amponsah how can Kasa kana yakobo kwame continue with man okrote kana ba basa Esperance.
Oye, Obi, or degree in sports law.
Sports law. Kasanya mawo.
Enti yenya such a person as a CEO ebe boa Kotoko papa. And unnecessary court actions be mansun be ayato train and say enti yenya such a person. He has such a person. No boa Kotoko.
After say omo nkofo so omo seeking nko kasa na on
sa oh yenya asem free mfa nko yenya asem free code mfa nko fie nko kan ye tete na na o Ghana no oh nana we dey esrewa asem dey jaye ne mfa nko fie ne nko kan no you move from that era you ready we do you move from that era so you're professional there you must be professional won ko sign contract no you dey say oh you Kotoko nti me so nti me ni contract ne so you are dragging the name of the club into the mud.
Sure.
Nti CK meaning pass CK Kotoko dana kuma so but ebia kwa am fa so handle no nti
on the bitter
on so the bitterness na your friend then management member cry yi ni so on continent say na the term I end cry say ye de kai metua ne kana de ono ba be sign contract say obey adwuma ma ono on fa de sika nchew on fa nchew
some say man sack no on say o ma upgrade ne into technical director
Ghana ha wasa ko fa Bruni say ono ma Bruni technical director Ghana ha na Zakaria say ono na mutimi control na siki na be control ha Zakaria say na Kotoko o mutimi control na siki na be control Zakaria say pathetic me things as me real who ye pa dem de ekom de siki fast it wasn't good and the mestre mpanimfo ye new board members na aban minim say meet mo ye meetings underground ti concerning Nana Yaw Amponsah say bibi because Mr. Mo man drop on time crab na yen sha say mo because meaning say ni dinya to dwa amanfo crash at shake o Facebook ni na say for that has for no mo hopo Nana Yaw Amponsah be Kotoko CEO o dom say be go muti
one last thing so the answer ye di bibia baby new board na aba no Osha what's the first two things that someone tackle Okumase Asante Kotoko first two things Osha someone tackle no as soon as possible.
To me, the first two major things. Okay, the playing board now. Otumfuo say my top player. Into omo remunerations, omo salary. But now me who some salary be a pop up on social media.
I don't know how official it is.
Yes, minimum how official. Yeah, minimum how official it. But say player be omo na say Kotoko currently player be Kotoko na charge 600 Ghana cedis to me is very low. 600 cedis.
Highest is 4,000 Felisana.
Yes.
And at 3,000.
In the omo share players, you know, I catch your own some year. And omo insurance. omo ni ye
first two things
the first one playing body no omo ketu asem omo hwe ni ye no omo kita well for because now no yentimi yen spend this 1 year fan koto player nti save seska no the second thing me person omo ye infrastructure
solid one something we lack
ya wasasi nti no omo use asase na ye wo no because enya me mitimi dem say simbo say Kotoko training grounds echen nkrofobia omo beja
say dey na
etu minim say ye wo training grounds say papa chen nkrofobia omo ba Ghana football giant gokrafobi minim so there say nti mestre board no me ma destre dey no omo hwe players no aketu asem no eyi na Kotoko player ntimi fa nsini bonka say yes me bought the university football university
me ahwe come and catch the sabe board no ya this ready
empany for my this ready am dey to manim as Kotoko supporter team no edam akoma so yie enema me enu amanya kwanya say esem bi chusu empany for mesremo didi kan players na katu ansem mama Kotoko players feel say omo board the football soccer university wo Ghana the premier football university in Ghana Ashanti Kotoko, no doubt about that. Now so obi o na say na ketu anye ya e be hardwin into the first at the start mestre no mo nhwe omo aketu ansem ni yie na omunya kuma pamfa mo team no. The second thing infrastructure yana na Otumfuo opem so na onkwa so waboa yen ama yetime anya sase enti mesre mpanimfo no the previous that is administration before Uncle George, not before Dr. Kwame Dr. KK Sapon. Or started project bi o ho a okwada kujachi structures is your best strengthening for say no be me second adistre say Kotoko ebetime anya at least even say clubhouse befitting at least omo wo gym nya de wo mu omo training omo free pitch so omo nya be akokoye physicals wo ho a no omo 19 kwa atri bia I think say we ni Majesty ready me na me strengthening for so omo nya Kotoko. Now going forward na minim say nkakra no the 13 be in stadium minim say enu say motel mo end in the na Kotoko etime nya yan stadium a etime bo matches ho na sky etu obaba yara no ema government be esun na Kotoko ntimi enkeep say sky no famwa
na on before no sam make e be say nka mutimi partner hotels ni bi ka
yes that's another way of doing it another way of doing it yen hwe regions na clubs no ewom ayede ye no mhia ball league no region ben na clubs ho no doso anti etimi kɔ hɔ e bia 2-3 times 4 times within the season so region no map hotel bia obetimi a partner home as I mean official hotel sponsor of the club Kotoko betimi man mileage Kotoko betimi man sa hotel ni mileage enti sika mo spend on hotels no eso beti imagine say when your advert bi na me yama hotel bi say bia me fan say golden tulip o Kumasi e bi wa Accra ha sir enti say Kotoko any golden tulip e wo deal na Kotoko abeda ho every day o qualify to Africa Accra na club na woni na ebo na o free outside e ba no o be make sure so na golden tulip be just free sa team ni ho oh enti me sure pen for mo hwe sa ne ma we nyina yi na emma expenses o mo aye wo even accommodation so mo to free Kumasi na esonte how many hotels ekasa I'm say hotels no even say 50-50 kra na so beti ama mo timi nyesika de aboa Kotoko team no
yo ebusia said the Martin nyina no the fabulous zone said the catch them no Kumasi Asante Kotoko ho nsem bia on person tibia the fabulous zone ye hu asiwo say ye de bebre mo said the nano ye catch them no Robert Oduro na ye ne discussion no on we why ade papa obi nsem nyinem we discuss about 5-6 topics ade ye wurewuremu ye biem ye mpese mu bia comment section ho so betimi we dey ato wo hu ne say won e kan no fa bibia to comment section ho Fabulous Zone you all the social media platforms o call Facebook now I type in the Fabulous Zone ye beba TV ready be that so then you like our page you go to YouTube the Fabulous Zone subscribe to our channel go to Instagram the Fabulous Zone ye wo ho, Twitter the Fabulous Zone ye wo ho. Bebia ye wo ho no we follow yen na Kumasi Asante ko nsem bia no ye de bebro every week or every day bia asem bia be drop no ye de bebro. Bebia discussion we me sign akabium the Blue Diamond Hotel Accra Taifa oba Taifa obunya drop Accra na oba Taifa ko ande ope hotel baby papa nti ato adu dwuma bia the Blue Diamond Hotel and na ye be recommend e dia ma ye be da the crew ase na ya da Robert Oduro ase papa send there wetin abeka yensa na boan ye hwe nim say de bia obeba na issue bia o ha yetimi no wa discuss it
me da Fabulous one ase anytime bia there's time no mo be here say membra no me boa ama Fabulous Zone ya pushi the Kotoko agenda
ya say pushi the Kotoko agenda Kotoko concept kwa
be me they say me like I said Kotoko rub shoulders with Manchester United munye bia Zamalek and El Ahly
the glorious days
na ne o hono ya back what you say about Kotoko nyumo radio so na person ojina na uti
na bibi egu bibi brown mu
person ojina na uti but yeah see how Kotoko supporter now say my lineup Kotoko lineup crowd first level na heading untime more players need it's because of consistency anyway untime strength 24 say the new Kotoko no ye hu say ye move towards Otumfuo's vision now asset ya to
sa tebusia ye be dwumedie ni besia na ya damase pa obi eboa ye bia the Blue Diamond Hotel Taifa ye be damase pa se mama ya kwanya san ya be hosti program we e wo maso ye ha ye be do bibia asese de kan ye cameraman the Fabulous Zone ye be sa eni mo ehia biem ha ya kramo